Welcome, in front of me is an HTC U Ultra, and today I will show you how to transfer files from the internal storage to an SD card or vice versa. So let's get started by opening up the files app. Actually, let's start by finding it. Oh, there's more. There we go, files right here. So let's tap on the bars right there. Let's tap right here, show internal storage, and there we go. Now we can see both of them right here. So find wherever your photo is located at. I believe mine is on the device itself, so I'm gonna choose the HTC right here. And key thing to keep in mind, DCIM folder will have all your photos and videos that you have captured with the device. Then pictures will have any kind of screenshots that I have captured with the device, and downloads will have anything that I have downloaded through the web browser or just email, stuff like that. And all those downloads will be in here. Which for me, I'm going to be downloading the legend himself, Elon Musk. So let's go back to the downloads right here, and I'm going to move this. So you want to select it, and you can select it just by simply holding the file itself. So as you can see, there's the image. Start holding it. It gets checked by the blue mark right there, and then you can tap on additional ones to add more. Now I'm not going to move the apps. It might take a little bit longer, which I wanted it to. So I'm just going to stick with the single photo. So from there, once it's selected, tap on the three dots right here, and you have either move or copy option. So choose whichever one you want. I'm going to move it. So this will remove it from where it is right now. And now I will go to the SD card. I'm just gonna drop it right here. I could create a folder if I wish to by tapping right here, and then tap on new folder, then naming it, and then moving it into it. But I'm not gonna bother. I'm just gonna click move. As you can see, it disappeared from here, and now it can be found on the SD card right here, and there it is. So that is how you remove file. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.